G'day viewers, I'm Simon Christie from 4Drive TV, and here we are at the search for Australia's toughest truck. This is the most extreme, the biggest, the best, the toughest off-road event in Australia. This is the 2019 Tough Dog Tough Truck Challenge.
It's always a buzz under the lights and having the crowd going off.
Just a big weekend, anything can happen.
Bit of a spectacular finish there.
Unexpected spectacular finish. What was your thoughts when it was going over?
Here we go again.